We were actually highlighting the greenwashing that they're doing more recently at their AGM, which was a couple of weeks ago, that the sort of a fifth of their shareholders said that they should up their game on their climate reductions of emissions, but they were advised by the CEO to not do that. And they've reduced their pledges on the emission targets in the last few weeks as well. There's 200 employees getting made redundant from the low emissions division, and they're cutting their budget from that, so that they're actually going the opposite way than they should.